Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna show you how you can cook delicious fine dining recipe with tilapia, spinach, leek and champagne beurre blanc. So let's do it. I start with my champagne beurre blanc. So I peel and chop few shallots first. And then put them into the pan with champagne wine, white wine vinegar, peppercorns, bay leaves, and then leave it to reduce down slowly on the side. Next, I will do easy spinach chips. So I cover spinach leaves with olive oil, season it with salt, and I'm gonna bake it 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes first. Then I turn off the oven and I'm gonna leave it in for 5 more minutes. And then I take it out and leave it to cool it down completely on the tray. And spinach chips are done. Now I have to do ricotta and spinach filling. So I season spinach with salt and pepper and then I'm gonna roast it on very hot pan. Then I'm gonna mix it with ricotta cheese and my filling is ready to go. I just need to cook one leek and then I'm gonna fill it with my ricotta mix. So I separate the layers first and put my mix in with piping bag. And if you like today's recipe guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up so I know which kind of food you like the most. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. I also cut few pieces of the leek and use them for my garnish as well. I put everything into the steamer to keep it hot and now I finish the rest. Cut portion of my fish, season it with salt and pepper. And now I'm gonna roast it on the pan with olive oil. I also put spring onions in and leave it to cook. In meantime, I finish my sauce. So the liquid is reduced and now I will keep adding cold butter part by part until I get nice thick sauce. When you're happy with your consistency, just pass it through the chinois and champagne Beurre Blanc is done. And guys, if you're gonna cook any of my dishes at home, make the picture, post it on your Instagram stories, tag me there, and I'm gonna give you some feedback on it. Have fun. Last thing I put in is spoon of caviar, and now it's ready for plating. In this time, our fish and onion cook as well, so I take them out of the pan and it's time to put everything on the plate. So I start with beautifully cooked fish. Now is coming leek roll with spinach and ricotta filling, roasted spring onion, cooked leek, delicious champagne Beurre Blanc with caviar, and finish it with some spinach leaves and spinach chips. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. If you got some questions, let me know in the comments. And if you wanna learn more about fine dining cooking, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.